Hi everyone, welcome to Yvonne's Crochet channel. Today we're gonna make these beanies and gloves. It's super warm and cozy for the winter. All the materials you need is 4mm hooks and medium yarns. I got this yarn from Hobby Lobby. It's so soft. First, we're gonna make the beanies. Start with 40 chains. The length of the first row depends on how long you want your beanie. You can chain more or less. Chain 1 to start the first row. Do 6 double crochet first. You can mark the first stitch. Then we do 4 half double crochet. Do 18 single crochet. To do 4 half double crochet and 6 double crochet. Turn to other side and repeat the first row pattern. This is the top of your beanie. Keep doing the next row. Change the yarn color. Keep doing 76 double crochet. Then we finish the row 2. This is the top of the beanie. And on next row, we change back the color and keep doing the same 76 double crochet. We seems like can see the beanie's top. Yeah, here is only row 3. Keep doing next row 4. Every row we change the yarn color. This row we need to do double crochet decrease. After we finish the 17 rows, you can see the beanie is done. There is a little small cat ears on the top. We can flip up to fit your head. Next, we're gonna make the stars. Begin with the magic ring. Chain 2 and do 10 double crochet. We made the circle first, and now we make row 2. Do single crochet first and mark the first stitch. On next stitch, we're gonna make half double crochet first and then double crochet. Chain 1 and do a treble crochet. Remember, this all is on the same stitch. Chain 1 and do another double crochet. And a half double crochet. Single crochet on the next stitch. Repeat for 5 times to get a star. After we finish a star, we can chain more than 30 for the decoration hanger. The length depends on how long you want. For my beanies, I chain almost 60. Count backwards 18ths and do the slip stitch and chain single crochet every stitch backwards. This hole is for the hanger, so you can remove with the beanies when you want. Hide the yarn end. Make another same one. If you want to make like me with the white line, you can do as mine with the needle. After we make 2, we can assemble it. Find the position around 5 or 6 row backwards. Find the side. And make it go through. So you can remove it easier when you don't want it. It's finally done. It's cute and so warm. I still have the yarn left, so I make a pair of gloves. This is an easy pattern. I chain 40. The length is depends on how long you want your glove. Chain 1, enter. Single crochet on the first stitch. Mark. Go through this whole stitch and the next stitch back loop only, and repeat. Fold and sew on the edge. I still have the lavender yarn left, so I add one more single crochet on the top and the bottom of the gloves. Because I made some mistake when I'm doing the gloves, so if it's lack of the length, you can do double crochet or half double crochet to make it longer. Sew the edge with a needle. Leave the seam position open and hide the yarn end. And it's done. It's a very cute set for the winter. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.